Jay Haynes for the Film Sensei YouTube channel. Today I am giving away a free 6-pack of split screen mats. Link is in the description below. And the first thing I want to do is show you how to use them. So you can use these in any nonlinear editor. I am today going to use HitFilm Express, the free version of HitFilm, which you can download from fxhome.com. As soon as you have downloaded and unzipped the file, then you can go ahead and just grab those and drag them into the media bin. In fact, if you want, you can go ahead and create a new folder and call them mats, and then just drag those into that folder. I have some video clips all ready to go. The first thing you'll probably want to do is add another track, so that way you have a track to put the mats on. So let's say, for example, I want to use this mat. I'll just drag this down, and if I show the checkerboard background, you can see that the mat is all ready to go. So now all you have to do is just drag your video footage underneath that, and you're set. If I want to add, say, for example, a second video, okay, that is perhaps on this panel, then what I would do is right click and insert another track in between, and then I could just add that second track inside of here, and then maybe I move this around a little bit to where I want it to be. And then if I need to, I can simply use a mask to mask out only one panel, sort of a thing. So now you can see that it is very simple for me to create different panels and different things, right? If I wanted to, say, for example, add another video, then I would insert another track, slot that underneath there at the same time, and adjust it to where I want it to be, and there you go. And now I have 3 panels with 3 different videos in them. Of course, the more videos that you put in here, the more that it will require the nonlinear editor to process, so it might slow your computer down a little bit. Let's talk about how to create your own split screen mats. So if you noticed when you downloaded the 6-pack of split screen mats that there is a file that is for HitFilm Express, and it is called the Film Sensei 6-pack of split screen mats. And if you open that file up, you will see project files for the 6 different mats that I created. And if you click on each one of those tabs, then you will see how those were actually made, and then you can start creating your own, right? So let's go ahead and just create one. I'm going to make a new composite shot by clicking on this button right here and click OK. Now you can see that I have black plane, and a white plane, and then also a white 100 by 100. I'm going to drag the black plane in first. That will be my background, okay? And then I'll drag in the 100 by 100. You can see now that I can take that and I can drag that and make that however big or small that I want it to be. I can also specifically dial that in. Let's say, for example, I wanted that to be exactly 960 pixels high, and I wanted it exactly to be, let's go 600 pixels wide. So I can dial that into the exact number that I want. Now, if I were to right click on that and duplicate it and slide it over a little bit, maybe, and let me just downsize that slightly and perhaps bring that up a little bit. And then if I were to duplicate that again, I could slide that over to the other side and down, and now I have somewhat fairly quickly a 3-panel offset split screen mat. Now, how do I get the white parts to be transparent? Well, it's pretty simple. I just say add a new grade layer on top and add a luminance key, and then, and again, if I turn on the checkerboard background, I say key out the brighter parts, And there's my split screen mat. Now you'll notice that on all of these I have little rounded corners. How would one go about making a rounded corner? Actually, what you will want to do is add another new grade layer, which I will put underneath that first one. And I want to make and let me just turn off this one for a second so you can see what happens. I want to make or add a blur effect to that grade layer so that everything is a little bit blurred. And then if I add a threshold effect, I can basically round out those edges. And if I adjust the blur, then I can make those edges a little more rounder or less rounder, just like that. Now if I turn back on my initial grade, then there you go. I think I'll drop this one into the pile as a bonus split screen mat. But basically, that's it in a nutshell. They're very quick and easy to make. So listen, if you like this kind of content, do me a favor and like this video, subscribe to the channel, click the little bell icon for notification. Feel free to share this with your friends. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching.